Hello everyone, welcome to How Fix It. In this video I'm gonna show you how to replace fan in laptop. To disassemble you will need next tools: Phillips 1 screwdriver, Torx T5 screwdriver. Also I recommend using a magnetic mat in repair process and laying out each screw step by step during disassembly, which is especially useful in case of this laptop, and it is very important not to confuse them during assembly. In the description I'll add link where to buy all necessary tools. Turn the laptop over and remove all screws on the bottom cover. Disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. If the fan is very noisy or doesn't work at all, you need to replace the fan. You can find a compatible fan for the replacement part number. And also in the description under the video I'll add link where you can buy new fan for this laptop. Well, that's all, you are on How Fix It, and see you guys next time.